Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining us. Very exciting times as we're coming around the block with Binance and Phoenix Coin once again. Oh my goodness, cannot keep up to date. Every time I have a video to do, it starts coming back into the same pattern again. Each time higher and clearing out more of our positions. Very, very exciting. So what we have left with our Phoenix on the client version of things, we have 284, let's see, 279 to 285. So we've cleared everything up to, I believe it was 277, and that's very cool. So obviously this happens in the midst of other things. I might decide to shove a couple of those into slightly higher slots up there, but I'm pretty much wanting to let it do what it does. We're getting more than our profits amount in each of these sectors, and the one that cleared through 7 means that we moved our 259 and 258 and 259 up to 64, 5, 7, somewhere in the higher range, and very happy that's cleared the way we needed it to. Not really holding any dust. It doesn't even have the value of a millionth of Bitcoin, so we're good. And for now, I'm still allowing this to accumulate a little bit before doing the next BNB. I want to keep just kind of letting it pay for itself. It's the difference of 0.05% in fees, but we're staying well ahead of higher than our 0.2 and factoring in our 0.5% profit. So very, 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 very happy, and it's just a little bit less math and a little bit less concern about how long before you make up the fees and then you come to the next fees, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So what we found is that no matter what you do, it always seems to factor into about 10% of your profits accumulating in fees, and if you have them already prepaid through a little bit of BNB coin, or if you just kind of cover them as they go along, it really kind of takes care of itself. It's one of the things that we really like about Binance. Don't ever want to see it change. I know change is one of those things you can count on in life. Yes, it is. So welcome, Archangel Alts. We're here to do our tried and true trades, crypto trade update. So we want to go through this with our instant insights about where we stand, the state of the onion, the State of the Union address for coins. Yes. Oh, that's nice. That's back when Ezio was our first chat member, and he's been doing really great. In fact, we're happy to have him help us with testimonial stuff because he's doing really well. Very quick learner, that young man from Australia. He comes from the land of Nanda. He does some trades, clears them wonderfully. Well, very good. Fun stuff. Very good. All right, so let's go over this stuff. We're going to start with the client, and I'm just going to go back about a week. I don't want to be overly redundant, but I'll start somewhere around the 22nd and just kind of move in there. So you can see going into there, we bought some TNT and DOC, sold TNT and DOC. I'm just scrolling through here. You can see those all sold TNT. Sold our OST, bought and sold Myth, bought IOST, sold IOST, a good bit of this too. Bought and sold Loom, bought and sold TNT, sold some earlier DOC, sold some earlier Phoenix, bought into more Phoenix, sold that Phoenix. So you can see, as we get to where we are now. So I mean, that was all within a week while we're doing our lesson plans and live trading teaching. So spent one day just working on thumbnails for those YouTube videos so they look a little more fancy, because things look neat. We want things to look neat. Yep. So let's go to the most obvious once again. I'm going to leave this sitting here. Oh my goodness, very good timing indeed. If I try to wrap this up and then I come here to do live to see the next fun part happen, what's going to happen? What's going to happen? It's going to come back down and take another cycle to do it. Don't we all know that that's true? Well, I said I was going to do this, so I'm going to continue doing this. Man of my word. All right, so let me set this up to give you this. Yes. So now we're going to cover our trades in the browser version of the Binance Trading Exchange. So this is page 5. This is just going from 223 to 302. So we like to approve what we're doing. So doing exactly, okay, 6. Okay, change the order the first time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there you go, guys. That is our tried and true trading update. And one last look at Binance before we go, because it's now coming within one position of clearing again. It looks like it's going to do it. In fact, you know what? It's going to give us exactly the lesson plan that we were going to talk about. So you know what? You know what I could do? I'm going to, instead of trying to do that live, I'm going to go ahead and close this out and immediately come back. So God bless you guys for now. Archangel Alts. See, it knows it. It knows. It's like, should I stop this? He's going to try to do a video on this, isn't he? I'm going to try to get this done quick. Oh, but no. We're going to try this anyway. All right. God bless you guys. Archangel Alts out.